Hey Guy, question for you. How are different needle groups used to achieve various effects in a tattoo?
One of the great things that's happened with cartridges is now you can have a much wider array of needle groups out for your piece, and this is important because you're going to get a different effect out of each kind. I'll typically have up to 5 different needle groups set up. I'll usually have a couple of different rounds, something for really tight work and something for bolder lines and detail. And I'll have 2 or 3 magnums, usually some kind of small like a 5 or a 7, which can be used for making bold lines or for shading and coloring small areas. Something medium sized, which is kind of all purpose, and then something big and usually curved that I'll use for atmospheric fades and things like that. Each of these needle groups has got its different strengths and weaknesses, and of course you could achieve most of that just with 2, with a liner and a magnum, but it's going to be harder and your overall range just isn't going to look the same. Any time that I've skimped and said, yeah, I'll just create my background gradient with my 11 mag, that gradient usually is not going to be as long and as smooth as if I had just gotten out that curve 27 and used that instead, because it's going to cause your brain to work differently. It's going to cause your hand to move differently. It might even save you a little time and effort. It's great to use the whole range.
Thanks for watching. To continue on to the next video, click here. To start from the beginning of the series, click here. And if you want to learn from top tattoo artists, you can follow this link here.